Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a spouse on TurboTax. Whether you recently got married or simply missed adding your spouse during the initial setup, this process will help you update your filing status and include your spouse's information correctly. Start by opening your TurboTax app. You can do this by opening a browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your tax return, as this is where all your information is stored. Once your account is loaded, you'll see your main dashboard. To add a spouse on TurboTax, you need to revisit and edit your personal information. Look towards your left navigation menu and click on My Info. This section contains all your personal details that were entered when you first started your return. If you missed adding a spouse during the initial setup, this is exactly where you need to go to make that correction. From your Info tab, you'll see an option to revisit your information. Click on Revisit. The initial screen will display your personal information exactly as you entered it before. Take a moment to review what's already there, then scroll down and click on Continue. This moves you forward to the next section where you can make the necessary changes. Now on the second page, you'll see your marital status options. This is the crucial step. Make sure to choose Married under your marital status. Once you select Married, a new option will appear asking whether you wish to file jointly or separately. This is an important decision that can affect your tax outcome, so choose the option that best fits your situation. Click on the radio button next to your preferred filing status, then click on Continue again. This confirms your selection and opens up the next section. Now the spouse information screen will appear. This is where you'll enter all the relevant details about your spouse. Simply add in your spouse's information, including their name, social security number, date of birth, and any other required fields. Be sure to double-check that all the information is accurate, as errors here can cause delays in processing your return. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Continue to save the changes. TurboTax will now update your return to reflect your married status and include your spouse's information throughout the filing process. And that's it. You've successfully added your spouse to your TurboTax return and updated your filing status. This ensures your tax return accurately reflects your current marital situation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.